Hey, what's up guys? Alex here, bringing you a very different type of video. Normally I don't do unboxing videos on this channel. I think I've only done 2 of them. But I just got a pretty cool birthday gift that I want to unbox in front of the camera today. So here we have the brand new AirPods Pro 3. And these were just released back in September of 2025, and I hear they are really beneficial, known for their noise cancelling features, their enhanced audio technology and performance. Hell, they even include a built-in heart rate sensor if you want to see what your standards are during workouts and stuff. Okay, I don't work out, but I think these would really come in handy, of course. This is a coincidence because not too long ago I lost my original AirPods. I believe these were the original generation. I got back in 2020, and you know, I thought maybe this would be a better fit. So this is what I got for my birthday. Here's the box right here. So it's, yep, they do have a charging case inside, and I think these are supposed to fit in your ear a lot better, right? It's interesting because not a lot I go outside wearing headphones, even though this week I actually did use my other over-the-ear headphones to, not actually to listen to music, but listen to podcast interviews, watch YouTube videos while I'm on the bus, or I'm passing time. Maybe I'm sitting down somewhere at the university campus or in the Path Network, who knows? But yeah, see, look, 2025 again. This is brand new, and we're gonna see how this goes. So let's see how we can open this up here. Yeah, look. So and peel this off. I think I'll do the same for here. It's better than having to get a friggin' scissors and just open it thoroughly. Okay. Let's see here. Just like that. Alright. Look at that. Designed by Apple in California, like always. Alright, so I guess we have a little manual in here. Okay. Just gotta. This is very different, so definitely have to read this carefully. Look, they have visual instructions here. Well, not instructions, but a legend. Look, scan for fit guidance. Wow. And of course, they have noise control. I gotta learn how to use that, of course. That's one. This is the safety instructions here. Batteries and charging. It's all in other languages. And regulatory compliance information. Compliance with the FCC. Oh, this is boring shit. You don't need to really read it. I guess this is the, doesn't say anything about Apple Care, but it does give you a 1-year limited warranty summary. Does it give you the option to register for Apple Care? I have no idea. I don't really care about that. Alright, here are the... Oh, look, there's more stuff in here. Again, maybe these... Oh, yeah, this is the, okay, so these are the actual, connectors, I think. There's the charging case itself. Oh, it's heavy. Very heavy. Okay. Just carefully. Oh, wow. Never thought this would be complicated. I guess the only thing to do here is just to peel this off. There you go. Let's see what's in the case. Yeah, there we are. There's the pods themselves. Alright, so Which ones? I guess this is the right pod, the left one I'm holding. And then we open this up here. Yes. So these come in different sizes here, but then again, this is I'm all completely new to this. Anybody that has these can let me know the specifications. What would these even do? I think Vasily has them. I'll have to ask him more about that. But oh shit, I'm reading this upside down. Large, small, extra small, very extra small. If that's what it is. But okay, let me see if I could get the original instructions here. Let's see if I could learn how to scan for fit. Okay, so I guess these. So I guess these here could really fit in your ear. I guess whatever size fits comfortably. It says here, scan for fit. Oh, okay. Let me grab my phone right here. Let me, I don't know, see if I can scan it in here. Okay, so this basically, yeah, so this is called the AirPods Pro Fit. So, these are actually made for your ear to be maybe feel comfortable. Again, I guess I'll have to try them out. This shows you how to get it done. I'll probably obviously I'm gonna do this after the video, but I really wanted to really test the sound on this, and then of course I'll have to pair them. So let's see here. Let's just stick with these first. I'm not gonna show myself, but let's see here. Oh shit! Wow. See, it blocks out the sound. This is the first time, I'm pretty sure this is the first time I've ever worn noise-canceling headphones. Wow. The only downside is that if you're in public, you can't hear like important announcements when you're on the subway or whatever, but this is good if, you know, if you're studying at the campus, or you want to break from crowds and stuff. It makes you feel like that you're just in a dark room by yourself. Let me just unplug this out. Oh, okay. So maybe I don't need this at first. Maybe I don't need this yet. But that's something for me to consider. Okay. My first impressions. Okay, I've yet to play something, but just feeling them, it's such a really different feeling. Again, now I just have to pair them. So let me just go on Bluetooth here. Sorry, everything's just taking too long, and my camera is going out of focus here. Okay. So we're gonna forget this device because they're lost now. So okay, I think the way to do this, go in here. Isn't there like a? There used to be a button on the original AirPods. Oh yeah, I know. One of the right ways to do it is just to put it in here. Oh yeah, look, it shows up. It shows up, AirPods Pro. Oh wow, that was fast. So I guess you don't need to like manually pair or whatever. See, look, it blocks out the sound again. All right, let's do this here. Oh boy, all right, so now we are connected. Okay, I'm gonna test something. Let me go on my my YouTube. Normally I don't show you my phone and stuff, but we're gonna go on my YouTube here. We'll go to my channel, and we're gonna do the first Ah shit, I just got a message. Okay, I gotta blur that out. Oh well. But hey, actually, that's the first sound I played because Alicia just texted me, and I got the sound. I got the text tone. See, look. So that was my first test. But let's go and test it out with one of my own videos here. We'll do the line 5 video. Okay, got the ads here. I got the ads. Wow. Obviously, I'm not playing the audio for copyright reasons. Wow, this is amazing. Oops, it just keeps doing that. I'm sorry, these are just my first impressions. Okay, that's good. Let's do a walking video here. We'll do the Blizzard one. That one's already at 445 views. I turn up. Okay, that's too loud. That's too loud. Wow. This is what you call audio enhancement. It's amazing. Okay, let me go back on my settings here and see if... Oh, wow, okay. So there's the option for you to turn off noise canceling. So let's see what happens when I turn that off. Obviously, you guys cannot tell the difference. Let's see here. Whoa! That's unbelievable. So now most of the background noise I'm hearing, so it it just comes back. So when I so when I just put them on for the first time, it was actually on by default. Then I could turn it back on here. Whoa, what a huge difference. And then, look, let's try this. Transparency. Oh, it feels it feels different here. Spatial audio. That is freaking something. Obviously, I know you guys cannot tell the difference. These are just my first impressions. Okay, let's put it back on noise cancellation here. Look, you can personalize your spatial audio. I'm gonna do that later though. Microphone is probably on. So these actually work really, really well. So it gives you the option. It just gives you the option. You want if you want the noise partially canceled, you can put on transparency or adaptive. So look, there's a huge difference. It's so amazing, man. If it just everything is off, so you can hear. I'm gonna have to test this in public and see. I'll have to go to I'll have to test it while riding the subway and stuff. All right, let me try playing a song here. Let's do Sabrina Carpenter. I don't have Spotify Premium. Where's Tears at? Obviously, I'm not gonna... obviously, there's no way for me to show the audio. But yeah, I only listen to Spotify on my desktop. That's why I got... and I also don't have YouTube Premium, so... Okay. Okay, the bass seems pretty good. So now, if I turn this loud, I wouldn't be able to, hear my own voice. Obviously, gotta be careful. Don't damage your ears and stuff. That's pretty good. What about Drake here? Again, these are just my impressions. Oh, wow, you can hear that bass. Ooh. Listen to OVO sound. Again, I don't usually listen to music when I'm outdoors, but if I'm home and stuff, I like to experiment with this. So yeah, you can actually hear the bass. It's actually kicking in. It's really cool. All right, and then let's go back to one of my videos, or no, let's just stick here. Let's just let's turn this to transparency. You can still hear that. Wow. It's amazing, man. Great sound. Great freaking sound. So I'm going to take this out with me when I go out in the freezing cold. Plans have changed, but I'll have to edit... Obviously, I'll have to edit the video now, especially... I'll have to find a way to blur out the text message I got. Even though it just said it was from Alicia, but... The specifications I cannot say. But... Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. My impressions. I got the weather on. So, yeah. The AirPods Pro... Oh, wow, it's already got stuff on it, but... Have to make sure not to lose them. I mean, they're wide enough anyway, so it's amazing. Let me know what you guys think of them. Let me know if you actually have them. What are your experiences with them? Give me some advice. I would love to know your feedback. Other than that, thanks for watching. It's a very different video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos. Check out my others as well. I gotta put my lunch in. I have the oven on. Cannot leave it unattended. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.